What is up, my friends? In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your oven racks here with absolutely zero scrubbing at all. So we have two oven racks here, 1, 2, and you are going to need 2 trash bags. 1, 2, and some ammonia right here. This can be purchased at the store, Walmart, your local convenience store, for like $1. Also, anytime you're working with ammonia, make sure you get you some gloves. These are just some reusable latex gloves, Grease Monkey Pro Cleaning. Good stuff right here. The reason we're using the gloves is because straight ammonia will burn the old skin. And as you notice, we're outdoors as well because the fumes in this stuff can get quite strong. So each oven rack will go in its own trash bag. Right like that. That's what it looks like. Boom. For those of you who've been watching this channel for a long time that have been hounding me for years to wear gloves, are you happy? Are you happy? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so it's real simple. You're just going to pour some ammonia in each bag. Take. Alright, 3 cups worth. Now you're just going to tie off this bag so that the ammonia doesn't leak out. I like that. And actually, I may need a double bag because mine is leaking a little bit. Let me get another bag. So if you're using these type of bags, you can double bag as well. The big black bags that you use for leaves and stuff would probably be better than these. These bags are a little thin. But whatever gets the job done, that's all I got. Pour some ammonia in there. Also, something that'll help out in the process, grab you a couple of paper towels, dip it in the ammonia, where it's like that. See, it's got some ammonia in it, and place it on the spots that are the most heavily soiled. So I'm gonna double bag here. Same process. Pour some ammonia in there. And tie this bag off. Your oven racks are absolutely filthy. Mark my words, you're going to want to give this video a thumbs up because this is going to work. What you're going to do is let this soak in this ammonia all night long. 12 hours, guys. 12 hours. We're coming back tomorrow. What's up, guys? So it's been 24 hours since we last left our oven racks in our trash bags with the ammonia. There they are, and now it's time to check out the results. Now, real quick, the reason it's been 24 hours, I had to work this morning. I would have done this morning. You just need 8 to 12 hours, but had to work this morning, just now getting to it. I just want to say, though, the reason this is going to work like magic is because, let me just show you. These oven racks that are soaking in that bag, yeah, it's soaking in the ammonia, but you don't have to soak the entire oven rack in the ammonia. You know, you're just having the ammonia in the bag with the oven rack is what does the job. The fumes from that ammonia does a lot of that cleaning for you. So I should clear that up yesterday when I did that. You don't have to worry about if it's not completely, if the oven rack is not completely submerged in the ammonia. It's not that big of a deal. It's just because the fumes is going to do a lot of your work for you. So let's do it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to use the water hose. Now, you don't have to scrub. One thing I am going to do, and this step is completely optional, you take your little sponge here, and you can give it a little wipe down if you prefer. It's not necessary, but if you just want to give it a little wipe down, you can. That stuff is going to come off super duper easy. Take your hose, spray away. And you should see the crud just come right off. So that's it. That is how to clean your oven racks. I want to take a moment to remind you guys that if you like what I do here on this channel and you want to support what I do, Best way you can do that is to like, share, comment, and subscribe. All those things get my videos out to more and more people so people can watch them, enjoy them, and hopefully learn a little something or two. I know I'm out here in the field getting an education every day. With that being said, my friends, I will see y'all in the next video.